So it's nice. Winter, craziest wind we've had in a long time. Just checking out these birds. This is the bird that a few weeks ago, with cut wings, flew around, never flown before, just flew around. 2 hours later he came back, thank God for that. Because this is definitely a special bird. It's a boy, a young boy. He's got 14 tail feathers, he's got the oil gland, it's got the nice colour. Beautiful bird, very strong bird, so definitely he's a flyer for flying for sure, but just I think this is a special bird that will be great for breeding, for future flyers and future breeders as well. It's definitely a special bird. So I've got probably 1 more year left with the pigeons, and then I'm probably going to have to sell birds. Going to go overseas, and then after that we'll be traveling quite a bit. That's what we want to do. So still I can't contemplate flying this one. It's definitely special. It's definitely a very nice bird. That's why we got the 50 birds flying, because I'm definitely going to enjoy this whole year. This young one eventually started to come up off here, go on the floor. It's been a bit of a wuss. He's been waiting for me to feed it, throwing seeds up here. It's definitely going to be a hen though. Definitely came up really nice. Came up really nice. The brother, he was straight on it. He was on the floor eating weeks earlier. That's what he's got. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. He's got 12. He's got the 12, and he's got the little tiny gland. Nice. I'm gonna put this guy for flying. So he'll be in that loft suit, flying loft. Then we got this nice blue, bit of brown on the bars. He's gonna be for flying as well. I'm gonna throw him over there as well. It's definitely a boy. It's funny how this blue, the parents made this one as well. So there you go. I'm thinking, should I fly it? Maybe I should. Maybe I should throw it on the other side, see what it does. See what it's gonna do. It's got 13. So does it have it's got the little oil glands. I don't know. Maybe I'll put this one for flying as well. See how it goes, but it's funny how one comes blue. They made another one baldy. This one's come black. Then we got this nice hen. It's definitely a hen. The best thing to put it into is that first pigeon I showed, that black boy, that young black boy. But they are from the same parents. It will be inbreeding, but wow, that'll be a nice pair. That'll be a very nice pair. But this hen will actually go good with the red saddle the old red saddle. I reckon that's what I'm going to do. I've got a good feeling about it. So we might have some early breeding around December. See what I do. I don't know. And then this young boy, really happy I got one red from that giant blue hen. That's really nice. So it's just about seeing what's going to go with what. And we got that boy there on the nest. He's the last boy. I'm going to remove him because this lazy one still likes to stay there. So we're going to get rid of that nest pole as well. And then this is just one of the 6 saddles that I cut their wings for future breeding. Just incredible the way they have come. That's just really, really nice. Really nice. And this is the good old red white beard hen. She's from my best flyer, 7, 8 plus. She was a crazy hen. She was a black pied, bit of a saddle on one side. She was an amazing hen, small hen, probably even smaller than her. So the father of this is the Besso red that I had. So that's the hen that's making me those really nice reds. So these will be for future breeding. Look at that. That is nice. And then the whites. And the whites. So that's a boy. But this one seems to be another boy as well. That's 2 boys. So this one seems to be a hen. I guess we'll see. My luck, the 3 boys. Hopefully that one's a hen.